Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious stew beans. First, let's prepare your dried beans. It's important to sort through them to remove any small stones or debris, then give them a good rinse under cold water. Soaking helps them cook evenly and reduces cooking time. You can soak them overnight or use a quicker method if you're short on time. Once your beans are soaked, drain them and add fresh water to a pot, ensuring the water level is about 2 inches above the beans. Bring them to a boil, then reduce the heat and simmer gently. Cooking time varies, but they should be tender, not mushy. Remember, hold off on adding any salt until they are fully cooked. Now, let's build the rich flavor base for your stew. In a separate pan, sauté finely chopped onions and minced garlic until they are translucent and fragrant. Then, stir in some diced tomatoes and your favorite stew seasonings, like thyme or bay leaves. Cook this mixture down until the vegetables are soft and the flavors have melded beautifully. Finally, it's time to bring everything together. Add your tender, cooked beans to the pan with the aromatic flavor base. Stir everything gently to combine, then let it simmer for at least 20 minutes. This allows all the wonderful flavors to marry. Taste and adjust the seasonings as needed. Serve your delicious stew beans hot, perhaps with some fluffy rice.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.